These are the directions for Workplace 1C, Beat the Calculator. Each pair of players will need 1 Beat the Calculator cards to share, scratch paper and pencil are optional, and 1 calculator to share. To begin, players will decide which player will start with the calculator and which one will decide on the number of rounds they will play. The player with the calculator turns over a card so both players can see it. 12 times 10 plus 24. The player with the calculator enters the problem exactly how it was written on the card. If the calculator doesn't have parentheses, the player should enter the parts in the parentheses first, then equal to get the results. They must then clear the calculator and enter the rest of the problem using the results in place of the part of parentheses. At the same time, the other players will evaluate the expression using an effective strategy, either mentally or using a pencil and paper. The player who gets the correct answer first will keep the card. At the end of the game, the player with the most cards wins. These are directions for Workplace 1C, Beat the Calculator. There are different variations for this game as well. Players may choose to write their own problems on the cards, mix them up, and then choose from those problems. Or, instead of racing the calculator, students may race each other to find answers mentally and check their answer to be sure using that calculator if necessary. Lastly, players can also choose to play cooperatively by drawing cards and discussing their preferred mental strategy.